Welcome! In this video, we will take you through how you can alert your child's school that you are on your way to pick up your child. Sending On My Way alert to your child's school helps the school prepare your child for pickup so you can avoid delays and save time. To alert your child's school you are on your way, open the SmartUp app on your phone. Tap the banner at the top of your screen which says, "Tap to alert school I am on my way." You will see this banner only during pickup time. Select the children you want to send the On My Way alert for. Tap Send On My Way request for the number of children you selected at the bottom of the screen. Select Confirm. Tap OK to finish. Your child's school will be notified so they can prepare for your arrival. Thanks for watching. For more help, send us an email